How to enable call forwarding forward when unanswered on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on keypad and click on this three dot icon and click on this settings. Now in call settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, you will see. So click on call forwarding. So after click on call forwarding, so if you want to enable call forwarding, forward and unforward, so you will see after the process, click on forward when unanswered. So click on, so if you want to enable, so click on this cross icon. So you will add. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh once. So that's how you can enable call forward for call forwarding forward when unanswered on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.